Hi, Justin. And I've already said hello to Kenya. I will say hello to Kenya again. Kenya has marvelous work, although this isn't how you spell my first name. And Justin, I believe you spelled it wrong as well. But let me just look at your letter here. I like the branding, the JMC, although you want to avoid putting work um, underneath type because it makes the type hard to read. If you think about your demographic, like who would be an established person in your industry? What do you want to do? Do you want to be an illustrator? Do you want to be a graphic designer? Usually the people who are bosses are probably about 40, in the early 40s, late 30s. So they don't have great vision. They have a little bit of trouble with contrast. So that's why something like this might not be a great choice for a cover letter. It's a good logo. You could always put it in the one of the corners. Smooth it out of the way of the content. The other thing to remember is, unless it's a relative or a friend, people really don't read cover letters as much as you might think they do. I think they just skim them. So you want to keep it very brief, to the point, state the facts, and state your enthusiasm for the position. Otherwise, my name isn't spelled right there, and there's a different font with your address. You want to be really consistent. Cute dog right there. So those are my main thoughts for your cover letter. And again, Kenya, I've had Kenya in class before. She is a really good student, and I recommend, really taking a good look at her work. She also spelled my name wrong, though, again, like I said. But she worked on her branding in another class that we had. You can see it's very well organized. It's a little long, but it has very attractive decoration with the logo, and the content is kept very white with a lot of contrast. Anyway, hope that makes sense. It's getting a little late for me, but I said what I meant to. Let me know if you have any questions.